Hola gente querida, tudo bem? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matiza. In today's video, we're going to be applying lashes. We've already been through this before. Yeah, we're getting somewhere, Yeah, that was the first time I've ever applied lashes. And since then, I've never applied lashes. I took it serious that time. Today, I'm gonna take it like 10 steps up a notch because I really have to be somewhere. I'm gonna do my best to apply it the right way, not upside down. Let's get into this video. Before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you to subscribe. Join in Matisse fam. We have so much fun around here, okay? Now that you have subscribed, let's get into this video. So the lashes I'm going to be using today is the Kiss Lash, the Shy Lash. Hopefully this doesn't take long. Now, if you guys can't tell, I barely have lashes. Like, I do not have lashes. As I said before on my channel, I was not blessed in the eyelash or eyebrow community. I just hope that the fake eyelashes has something to hold on. This is the lash glue I decided to go with. I did hella research before I even invested in this because I need these lashes to last and last. I'm gonna take it off. Why does it have adhesive on it? Am I supposed to take that off? Oh my gosh. Hurry up. Dry. Look at my hair. Okay, focus. Okay, so one rule that I know about lashes that you have to wait till the glue is tacky. Yeah, that's tacky. I will not do it upside down. Won't make that mistake again. Like that, right? It has to be like that. What other way would it be? Brought y'all a little closer. We're gonna pull the hair out the way a little bit so y'all can see. This is happening. How do I put it on there, bruh? Okay. Oh, it landed. Oh, wait a minute. I wasn't even looking. I should probably use both of my eyes. This is so stressful. Bruh, I'm gonna use my fingers. What the heck? I'm getting angry. I think I'm gonna have to go in with more glue. Oh, I look like a baddie. Wait, but it's not even on the lash line. It's on my skin. Does it matter? I don't know what putting more glue will do, if it's a bad thing. My real lashes are in the way. So I managed to apply it. The gag is it's really on my skin instead of my lash line. More glue. I don't even know at this point. Yo, my real lashes are not trying to let this baby in. Definitely on my skin, not on my lash line. This is as good as it's gonna get. I'm also going to get my mascara and try to blend everything out. Oh no, this ain't gonna work. This looks ferocious. Oh nah, this ain't gonna work. Look at this. Look, see? I really thought this would work. Alright, I tried. I am just over it. I am over it. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did not. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. Join the Matisse fam. We have so much fun around here, as you guys can tell. May God bless you. Stay fabulous. Stay fierce. Mwah. Chao, queridas.